The first step in this book sculpture is to first remove the front and back cover of the book. Again, you'll be using a soft cover book for this. And what you're going to do is you're going to start by rolling the pages. You're going to take 10 at a time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to roll them. So for the first one, you don't have anything to roll it into. So you're just going to use a craft paper, a craft clamp, and to hold it into spot. Now you're going to count 10 again. And you're going to roll it right in. And they will hold by themselves after that very first one. Again, you're going to count 10. And roll it into place. And that's the whole pattern. You're just So once you've done as many curls as you want, and then you rip off any of the extra pages that you don't need, you're going to have to glue down this very first one that you did. So go ahead with some glue. I would say a generous amount.